Look at this. I can't decide whether to call my wife and tell her we're buying another Corvette or do this video. I guess I should probably do the video to keep myself out of hot water. This thing is beautiful. It's a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, just a little over 9,000 is all. 2LT package with the 8-speed paddle shift automatic, of course 6.2 liter V8 power underneath the hood. Remote start, black aluminum wheels. Those would be the Grand Sport black aluminum wheels. Carbon flash badge package and battery protection package. You can see exactly how this car is equipped. If you look through the still pictures, there's a copy of the window sticker that'll go with this. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all those still pics. There'll be over 100. Look at the underside and how clean it is. Look at the wheels close up. Look at the engine bay. Entire car, stunning. Click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Elkhart Lake Blue. And yes, it looks as good in person as it does this video. This whole front end has the PPF, so the paint protection film is on this car, front of the bumper, of course, up to that body line right there. So basically the front clip of the car, all PPF, and you can see it has been taken care of. The paint is in beautiful shape. The fronts of the mirrors have the PPF, as well as where you can get the rock chips kind of right in front of that wheel well right there. All right, jet black leather interior with the suede inserts as well as the suede steering wheel. I don't know what more you'd want. Take a look at the condition of these wheels. Of course, the slotted rotors up front. Absolutely stunning. Let's take a look down this passenger side. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. I really haven't found much imperfections. One little tiny one, and I'll try to see if I can get that to show up in this video. We tried to take a picture of it. It's very, very minor. There's that center console with the automatic transmission. Again, 8-speed paddle shift. Of course, power convertible top. I'll show you the function of that before this video is over. We're going to start it up, take a peek underneath the hood. Jason may take it for a spin. Of course, the center dump exhaust. Look at the polished tips on that. And I'm fussy, and this car, it checks all my boxes. There is no doubt about that. UniqueClassicCars.com. Again, look at all the still pictures. All right. There is one little small scuff in the clear, and you can kind of see it right there. The minute I move away or change the angle, you don't really pick it up. You have to really be looking for it. I don't know if I can find it back. But again, that is pretty much the only imperfection that I have seen. If you like Corvettes, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And I don't think there's anything better than a blue Grand Sport. Great color in this car, black fabric top, and like I said, we're going to put that up in a second. Of course, you have all your standard features that you get on a 19 Corvette, let alone Grand Sport. And then look at the extras that were added in with the still pictures. That's where the original window sticker's at. You can see there's no wear in the seat. If anything, I got the floor mat a little bit dusty moving the car. Other than that, this interior is like new. So of course HUD, so heads up display, steering wheel controls, fan and stereo on the steering wheel, the driver's information center. I mean, there's just too much to list. Heated and ventilated seats, of course. Stereo. This thing checked out with flying colors in our service department, of course, with the year and the miles.
No job too big, no job too small.
Exact miles 9297, 9,297. No service engine soon lights, check engines, anything like that. Of course, you can change from sport mode, track, and that does change your exhaust note. Back to touring, she quiets down a little bit. Somebody explained to me why they have that economy on there. I know I won't use it. All right, top of the dash looking good. Slip around to the back. This doesn't really do it justice. You need to hear it going down the road full throttle. By the way, those lights aren't flashing. That's just due to the phase in the video. You're standing here looking at them. They are solid and working as they should. Oh, how clean this hood liner is. And engine bay. Great power plant 2019. Wow. All right. Let me go ahead and put this convertible top up so you can see how that functions. And we'll check out the condition of that. Wrap up this walk around video. And definitely give us a call if you're interested in one of these. It's a beautiful car. And convertible top up. So again, black fabric top, functions as it should. Nice fit above the windshield, side glass rolled up. Nice fit there. It shows like brand new. Glass. Rear window, electric rear defog. Obviously no rips, tears, holes. Man. Car looks good with the top up also. All right, I'm going to go ahead and show you the function of that top going back down into the storage area. All I can say is wow. 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport convertible, clean Carfax, just a little over 9,000 miles. You're in the market for one. I would get on the phone, call a sales associate, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Thought you might like to hear it one more time. Sounds good, looks good. Look forward to hearing from you.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. One of the best looking bodies on the C7 in my opinion, the Grand Sport, and this beautiful blue color. This is an automatic, so it's easy to drive. And we're ready to go see how she does. Sounds great, performs great. All you can expect from a C7 Corvette. Stereo sounds good as well. Lots of lower end sound. Our speedometer working. In the middle we have a tachometer that is digital with a large number speedometer inside that. The oil pressure showing about 40 psi. The engine temperature around 180. The fuel gauge showing over half of a tank. Beautiful car inside and out. Very comfortable, very form-fitting. I'm 6'1". I think this car was made for me. Of course, you can move that seat up and make it work for just about anybody, but there are some cars that really fit well, even for larger people, including myself. Corners amazingly. You always expect that from a Corvette. Brakes are nice and smooth. The tires just on the verge of breaking loose. So much fun to push the throttle in this car. This is a convertible, if I did not mention that yet, and we do have the top up today. If you're looking for a beautiful blue Grand Sport convertible, check this car out at uniqueclassiccars.com.